Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. CM says regional plan will not be scrapped. Says he is not aware why some politicians are opposing it. Government proposes non-occupancy tax on homes purchased and left vacant by non-Goans. Civic groups divided over regional plan. GBA wants the plan with amendments. PCF demands scrapping. Shah Rukh Khan to inaugurate IFFI. No decision yet on guest for concluding ceremony. Special roadshow of IFFI begins. Salgaonkar returned to winning ways after 2 consecutive defeats. The Green Brigade beats Mumbai Football Club in I-League. And injured opener Sagun Kamath targets a comeback in Ranji Trophy one-dayers. Sagun is still at least a month away from full fitness. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that Regional Plan 2021 will not be scrapped. He said that the plan is well accepted and he doesn't know why some political elements are opposing it. Facilitation Center will operate from TCP office to address genuine errors raised by civic groups. CM has set 5th December as the deadline to submit inputs. Government is also considering no occupancy tax on non-Goans who are having houses in Goa.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath addressed a press conference in Panji on Thursday. CM said that government will consider discrepancies cited by individuals and activists. He said that there is no question of scrapping the Regional Plan 2021.
Whole plan is notified. We have issued release one. Everything policy is also there, and it is well accepted. For example, we had given VP1 status to certain panchayats. We have given certain to keep the identity of the villages. We said that villages VP2 status we have given to the rural panchayats, where FAR is 50%, 60%, only 60%. And if you have plot more than 4,000, FAR comes down to 50%. To that extent, we have tried to.
Government has proposed some of the initiatives to address the issues in the Regional Plan 2021. Special Gram Sabhas to get opinion on road width in villages. Minimum 6 meters width in thickly populated areas. Reverting the areas shown as settlement in 2001 but deleted in the final plan can be considered. Valid approvals prior to notification of final RP 2021 such as conversion and NOC from competent authorities to be considered. 5th December deadline for submitting inputs and errors in RP 2021. Permissions granted during the period of facilitation process up to 31st January 2012 can be revived. Chief Minister also said that non-Goans who have purchased homes in Goa after 2005 will have to pay no occupancy tax annually. Our reporter Basuri Desai in Panji with video journalist Sarvesh Varuskar.
Civil groups are divided over the issue of Regional Plan 2021. Goa Bachao Abhiyan has demanded corrections in the present Regional Plan, which is notified by the state government, whereas Pilan Citizens Forum has pressed for scrapping of the plan. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had a joint meeting with civil groups and town and country planning officials on Thursday. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had a lengthy 4-hour meeting with village groups and town and country planning officials. Meeting was attended by social activist Sabina Martins, Yatish Naik and others. Yatish Naik, spokesperson of Pilan Citizens Forum, said that they want the Regional Plan 2021 scrapped.
We have said that this regional plan should be scrapped. From our side, we have said that this regional plan should be scrapped. And we said that the task force plan should be the base. And from there you see what is in the interest of Goa, what is not in the interest of Goa, and accordingly you make that plan acceptable. Which plan? The task force plan, not this plan.
Even some of the ruling Congress legislators and ministers have demanded the scrapping of the plan. But GBA convener Dr. Sabina Martins has said that they are demanding correction in the regional plan and not its scrapping.
There's a lot of pressure for eco-sensitive zones to be converted to settlement. So whatever we have got, whatever good that we have got, we would like to protect. Whatever wrong that is there, we would like it to be corrected.
Yet he said that till the plan is rectified, no permissions and NOCs shall be granted for any construction. Sabina has supported some of the good proposals in the plan but has demanded correction in the present notified plan. Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sarvesh Veluskar. 42nd IFFI will be inaugurated by the King Khan Shah Rukh. The IFFI roadshow began on Thursday from Panji. The roadshow was flagged off by Babu Kaulekar. Director of the film festival, Shankar Mohan, informed that there will be public screening of 7 soccer films at Kampal. There will be 3D screening and special sessions on animated films in Kala Academy. IFFI will commence from 23rd November. A road show to create awareness on different activities for IFFI was flagged off on Thursday. Babu Kaulekar started the road show. This vehicle will ply on all routes in Goa. IFFI will be inaugurated by Shah Rukh Khan on 23rd November.
से आप लोगों को तो पहले ही पता है कि शाहरुख खान को चीफ गेस्ट के तहत इनवाइट किया गया है. फिर उसके अलावा एक नई चीज़ जो हम लोग इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं वो लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड है.
There will also be screening of special soccer films as a part of public screenings at Kampal.
3D फिल्म्स का एक अलग सा सेक्शन होगा जो नेशनल लेवल पे पहली बार कोई भी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फेस्टिवल कर रहा है. तो 3D का एक सेक्शन है जो कला अकेडमी में दिखाया जाएगा. एनिमेशन का एक नया सेक्शन है जो पहली बार कर रहे हैं. मास्टर क्लासेस कई हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. 3D का 2-day समिट कॉन्फ्रेंस हम कर रहे हैं ब्लैक बॉक्स में 25 और 26 को. गोवा बीइंग ए वेरी पॉपुलर स्टेट फॉर फुटबॉल, so we decided to curate a whole section on soccer. So we will be having 7 films. This will be screened at the open grounds, Kampal, daily between 8 and 10 p.m.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.